In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about adding a new watch list on the HankoX trading platform. To do so, we're going to go ahead and hover over our default watch list, and we're going to go ahead and click create new watch list. And for this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and label this one YouTube. We're going to click create watch list. And as you guys can see right here, our watch list has been created. Now, adding pairs and currencies and indices and commodities is very simple. All you have to do is search simple, and this is gonna show us all of the assets that we're able to trade on the HankoX platform. For this tutorial, we're gonna go ahead and add BTC, and we're gonna go ahead and add US30. As you guys can see here, our watch list has been created, and if we wanted to go ahead and add more to the watch list, we can just click this plus sign, and they are all here. And let's say you wanted to go ahead and make a watch list for each individual asset. All you have to do is come here, create one for Forex, and then you can add your Forex pairs. And if you wanted to go ahead and create one for crypto, you can do so, and then add all of your cryptocurrencies that you want to trade. Stay tuned for more tutorials and hit that like button.